How to like someone on Hinge. Start off by tapping open your Hinge mobile application and make sure that you're logged into your account. When you open up Hinge application and log into your account, you'll be shown a profile of a certain someone through your screen. You can scroll through their pictures and prompts and choose whether you like them or reject them. If you want to like someone's profile or like someone, simply tap on the little heart icon at the bottom right of their picture. Now, you can also add a comment and then tap on send like. Once you do that, Hinge will let the other person know that you've expressed interest in them. If both of you feel the same way, Hinge will make a match so you can communicate with one another and proceed with your online dating relationship. That is how you can like someone on Hinge. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.